We are pleased to show you 2012 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.